Welcome to Studio Biology. In this video, I am going to discuss the differences between a vegetative shoot apex and a reproductive shoot apex. This is a vegetative shoot apex and this one is a reproductive shoot apex. The outline of vegetative shoot apex is narrow and conical. We can observe this, while this one is relatively wide and flattened. It is protected by vegetative shoot apex is protected by young leaves. We can observe this is a young leaf, and it is generally protected by sepals. This is a sepal. These are two sepals protecting the carpels in the section. Next, it gives rise to leaves, buds, stem tissues. Here it gives rise to sepals, petals, stamens and carpels. That is, it gives rise to the floral buds along with the internal stem tissues. Then vegetative shoot apex give rise to normal leaves. Here the reproductive shoot apex doesn't give rise to normal leaves, but it gives rise to specialized leaves, small sized, which are known as bracts, but not to the normal leaves. The internodes are of equal length, but in case of reproductive shoot apex, first internode is usually very long and it forms the pedicel. Other internodes are short, condensed and indistinguishable. Floral whorls develop close to each other. Next is lateral appendages are generally born in spirals like leaves, while here the lateral appendages are generally born in whorls. The floral parts are born in whorls. It shows indefinite or indeterminate growth as the meristem in vegetative shoot apex is not consumed in forming the vegetative organs. It shows definite or determinate growth as the meristem in reproductive shoot apex is consumed in forming the reproductive organs. So this is all about the differences between a vegetative shoot apex and reproductive shoot apex. Thanks for watching this video.